Pakistan indeed doesn't produce counterfeit or substandard products. Even a simple fan fluid strip uses brand new, high-priced aluminum alloy as raw material. After melting, it undergoes multiple complex manufacturing processes. Mass-produced brand new fan fluid strips achieve a quality that provides customers with a lifelong treasure. To melt the brand new aluminum alloy, the assistant first places it on the preheating platform of the furnace. The aluminum alloy will heat up to 500 degrees Celsius. Place it in the melting furnace. The steel carbon furnace at the bottom, combined with a high-powered fan, continuously melts 50 caddies of aluminum nails into molten aluminum. To avoid scalding the little hands with the hot molten aluminum, use a regular soup ladle to pour it into a special molding mold. The mold, with its fixed dimensions, ensures that the produced aluminum block is exactly the size needed to make a fan blade, minimizing material waste. After molding, the aluminum blocks are placed at the adjacent stacking station. In the blink of an eye, the workers have already pressed the square aluminum blocks into long strips to achieve the best lightweight effect for the fan fluid blades. The long aluminum blocks then require two workers working together, using a high-speed extrusion press to repeatedly extrude them while adjusting the die gap to control the dimensions of the aluminum blocks. The aluminum blocks are extruded to a standard thickness of 0.1 millimeters before being transported to the cutting station. Aluminum blocks of a specific shape are cut into standard sizes for making fan blades using a cutting machine. This step, though seemingly simple, is actually quite straightforward, and only the factory manager's cousin is capable of cutting the aluminum blocks to standard size. The assistant then organizes them together so that more blocks can be transported at once. Then they walk 250 centimeters overnight to the drilling station. The hemp fiber is placed in a location easily accessible to the craftsman. This is designed to ensure the blades are more securely fixed. The method involves drilling holes in the blades and securing them to the fan with screws. Once there are enough aluminum blocks after drilling, the molding technician on the other side will move them to the next workstation. The molding machine uses a special curved mold to shape the aluminum blocks again. This not only makes the fan blades conform to aerodynamics, making rotation more energy efficient, but also allows the fan to provide a larger airflow when rotating. Due to the blade ... with a thickness of only 0.1 millimeters, prolonged rotation can easily cause breakage at the fan joint. Therefore, the small workshop thoughtfully adds a reinforcing metal reinforcement at the joint to increase blade strength, which is then anchored together. At this point, the fan blades, custom made from brand new aluminum, are successfully manufactured. What do you think of their quality?